Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to update the payment information on your iPhone, or add a new card to pay for different services on your iPhone. Now you go up to the top, and you click on iCloud. Here you'll find payment and shipping. Click on that. Your iPhone will probably ask you to unlock it. Then you can delete your old card and add new information. Or you can add a new card in addition to the one you already have. To update an old one, you tap on it and update it. Or you add a new card by clicking Add New Payment Method. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.